FKM Motorcycle
Nice.
Venture ADB 150 Ultimate Plus. Aba mga idol, meron tayong bagong model update
Wow.
from FKM. Colored
Nice.
aluminum rim and spoke na ang wheels ng bagong Ultimate with a price of 166,000 pesos. At kung gusto nyo pang installment, pwede rin kayo mag-apply via Sumisho,
Nice.
down payment 16,600, 2 years 10,000 at 3 years 9,022 pesos. Ang kulay na available dito ay red, white at gray color. Aba mga idol, etong model na to ay atin pong na-test ride at pwede nyo mapanood yan sa ating YouTube channel. Pakicheck lang po ang FK Motorcycle playlist at napakaganda po ng ating review dito. Talagang loaded at kompleto na to with built-in
Wow.
camera, dual ABS at traction control na switchable at meron tong 7-inch TFT display. Plus,
Nice.
meron din itong equipped na idling stop and start at very fuel efficient with 43 km per liter. Aba mga idol,